Hi everyone, with summer coming, I thought we'd do a little bit on the Preston Desert Boot.
Yeah.
Shoe. It's cool. This is a new version for us. It's got a bit on the back here.
Weave.
A weave on the back, yeah, a bit. I don't know what that bit is. I mean, I'm going to go at the close-up and you can, let's see if it can focus. We'll do that. We're trying to work out how to get this thing to focus straight away. But it's defying us. There we go.
So that one's the stone colour, is that right?
Yeah, that's the stone colour.
A bit of a off-white, misty sort of colour, isn't it?
Yes, it's rather nice. I think it's nice. It's got summer written all over it. Do you want to show the people yours?
I think my favourite is the whiskey, and I love the weave. Ooh, there we go. Weave detailing on here. I think it stands out beautifully. So yeah,
it does.
Shoe.
It's nice. We deliberately did it just at the back and not the back and the front.
I think it'd be too much if it was all over.
Yeah, I agree. I think it adds something to it. Just makes it look a bit more snazzy.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, and that navy colour is beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. When you go to the picture of them on the table there, yeah. I mean, it's fabulous.
Again, you can see the weave.
Yeah, really nice, really nice. I'm really pleased with them. Now, Ria, we've got our selection of tops and bits and pieces we sell here. What would you match that with?
Okay, so for kind of like a summery sort of casual sort of look, I think it goes really well.
Yeah, fab.
That's with the day tripper.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then maybe a little bit smarter, just a little bit. I'd say something. What's that one?
That you're letting the bag out there. That's one of our new ones. Look,
quick sneak preview.
That's a new version of the Carl, which is coming out this year.
Yes.
Yeah, I think that's fab. I mean, in terms of this, because it's a lighter colour. I mean, I think it goes with practically everything. I mean, you could even wear it.
It's quite a versatile colour, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. I mean, I probably wouldn't wear it with a shirt,
no.
but you could. But I think just about everything here, probably with a pair of jeans. Or the one I really liked was like this and that together.
Yeah. And
put that with a like a pair of slacks, like chinos or something. And I think that'd be a nice combination. I think there's practically everything there.
Yeah. Very versatile shoe.
Oh, it is, isn't it?
Definitely.
Yeah, it's definitely, especially that. So that's our Preston. They're on the website now.